In the digital era, digital advertising has emerged as a key component of marketing. Businesses must use efficient digital advertising techniques to reach their target audience and succeed online in light of the development of online platforms and changes in consumer behavior. Let's examine the essential components of effective digital advertising campaigns, including audience targeting, the development of attractive content, data-driven insights, and optimization methods. Make sure to subscribe to our channel before we start. Targeting your audience. Understanding and focusing on the right audience is the first step in effective digital advertising. Businesses can use a variety of platforms and tools to determine the age, gender, interests, and online habits of their target market. Businesses can develop customized advertising messages that resonate with their target clients by identifying and segmenting their audience, with the most relevant audience being reached and the return on investment (ROI) being maximized. Precise audience targeting makes sure that advertising dollars are allocated effectively. Creating compelling content. At the core of effective digital advertising campaigns is compelling content. Content must hold the audience's interest and provide a compelling message, whether it takes the form of text, photographs, videos, or interactive experiences. Businesses should concentrate on producing visually beautiful, emotionally compelling, and consistent with their brand identity content. The use of storytelling tactics can be used to arouse feelings and establish a stronger connection with customers, increasing brand awareness and conversion. Insights driven by data. In order to optimize digital advertising strategies, data is essential. Businesses may learn a lot about the tastes and habits of their target audience by evaluating data from a variety of sources, including website analytics, social media metrics, and consumer behavior patterns. These data can be used to guide decisions about ad placement, timing, and messaging, ensuring that the correct audience receives the right message at the right moment. Businesses may improve their advertising strategy, make more informed decisions, and increase the efficiency of their campaigns with the help of data-driven insights. A multi-channel strategy. A multi-channel strategy is used in an effective digital advertising campaign to reach the target demographic. Businesses should think about utilizing various digital platforms like social media, display networks, search engines, and video-sharing websites. Every platform provides varied chances to connect with various target audience segments. Businesses can enhance their chances of engaging with potential clients across many touchpoints by diversifying their advertising platforms, increasing their visibility. Optimization for mobile. Mobile optimization is vital for the effectiveness of digital advertising given the increase in mobile devices. An effortless user experience on smartphones and tablets is guaranteed by mobile-friendly websites and mobile-optimized ad formats. For people to interact with the information effortlessly, advertisements should be made to be visually appealing and responsive across a range of screen sizes. Given the sizable percentage of internet traffic that originates from mobile devices, mobile optimization boosts ad visibility and engagement, both for marketing and retargeting. Businesses can re-engage with users who have previously connected with their brand but have not converted by using retargeting and remarketing, which are potent strategies. Businesses can provide tailored adverts to customers across numerous platforms, reminding them of their goods or services by putting tracking pixels on their website or using customer data. By keeping the brand top of mind and offering individualized experiences based on previous interactions with users, retargeting and remarketing campaigns can considerably increase conversion rates. Optimization and A/B testing. For digital advertising strategies to be more effective, testing and optimization must be ongoing. Businesses can compare many iterations of their advertisements, landing pages, or call-to-action messages to determine the most successful combination by using A/B testing. Businesses may improve the efficacy of their campaigns by tracking and examining key performance indicators, KPIs, like click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement metrics. Businesses can fine-tune their advertising tactics through testing and optimization, increasing ROI and fostering continual improvement. Marketing using influencers. Influencer marketing has become a potent kind of online advertising. Businesses may reach their target audience in an engaging and authentic way by working with influencers that have a large and loyal online following. Through their content, reviews, or endorsements, influencers can promote goods or services, increasing brand recognition and reputation. The secret to effective influencer marketing is choosing influencers whose beliefs and target market are compatible with the company, guaranteeing a sincere connection with their followers. Analytics for tracking performance. Businesses must monitor and analyze important performance data in order to determine the effectiveness of digital advertising initiatives. To assess the success of the campaign, this comprises tracking impressions, click-through rates, conversion rates, and other pertinent data. Performance monitoring helps organizations optimize their plans and more efficiently allocate resources by giving them useful information about what is working and what needs improvement. Businesses may see and comprehend data using analytics tools and dashboards, enabling data-driven decision-making. Emerging technologies, adaptation. Businesses must adapt to new technology in the ever-changing digital market if they want to stay ahead in digital advertising. Artificial intelligence, AI, voice search, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, all bring new prospects for immersive and engaging advertising experiences. Keeping up with technical developments and looking into how to use them to digital advertising campaigns can provide firms a competitive edge and aid in grabbing the attention of their target market. Social media promotion. Social media sites' large user bases and targeting options have made them popular advertising tools. Businesses can use social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to precisely target their target demographic. Various ad forms are available in social media advertising, such as picture ads, video ads, carousel ads, and sponsored content. Businesses may customize their advertising to target particular demographics, interests, and behaviors, maximizing the effectiveness of their social media efforts thanks to powerful targeting choices and sophisticated analytics. Ads that are personalized and dynamic. Successful digital advertising efforts often include personalization. Businesses can send customized adverts catered to individual tastes, surfing histories, or purchasing behavior by using data and automation. In order to make their material more relevant and interesting, dynamic advertising change it on the fly based on user characteristics. By delivering highly targeted messages to the appropriate audience, personalized and dynamic advertising improve user experience, boost click-through rates, and encourage transactions. Advertising on search engines. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising, also referred to as search engine advertising, enables companies to place advertisements on search engine results pages. Businesses have the chance to bid on keywords related to their goods or services on platforms like Google Ads. The adverts show up at the top or bottom of the search results when visitors type in such terms. Since search engine advertising targets individuals who are actively looking for particular products or information, it is quite effective at generating high-quality leads and increasing conversion rates. Native advertising and content marketing. To draw in and keep the attention of a target audience, content marketing requires producing and disseminating worthwhile, pertinent, and educational information. Businesses can use podcasts, blogs, articles, videos, infographics to educate their audience, share insightful information, and position themselves as subject matter experts. In native advertising, which is a type of content marketing, advertisements are incorporated into the user experience in a way that matches the platform's design and structure. Businesses may increase brand affinity, provide value to their target audience, and create trust by using content marketing and native advertising methods. Automated advertising program. Digital adverts are purchased and placed in real time using automated technologies and algorithms. Businesses can use it to deliver ads across a variety of internet platforms and ad networks, target certain audiences, and optimize campaigns. Programmatic advertising uses data-driven insights to support placement decisions, ensuring that ads are shown to the most appropriate audience at the appropriate moment. This strategy enhances ad targeting, lowers costs, and promotes efficiency, allowing businesses to better connect with their target market. Video marketing. As the number of people watching videos continues to increase, video advertising has grown in popularity. Businesses have the chance to produce captivating video advertising that draw in their target audience on websites like YouTube and social media platforms. Video advertisements can be used to showcase goods or services, tell gripping stories, or provide interesting and educational content. Businesses may use video advertising to effectively engage their audience and spread their brand messaging thanks to the growth of streaming services and the popularity of video content. The way businesses interact with their target audience in the digital age has been completely changed by digital advertising. Businesses may enhance the effectiveness of their digital advertising efforts by using powerful strategies including audience targeting, appealing content development, data-driven insights, and optimization techniques. Online success is largely dependent on adopting a multi-channel strategy, utilizing data-driven insights, and remaining flexible with regards to changing technology. Businesses can reach their target audience, increase brand awareness, and accomplish their marketing goals in the dynamic digital world with the correct digital advertising strategy in place. Share your feedback with us in the comments and subscribe to our channel before you leave. See you in the next video.